This is my review of the Ryu Street Fighter amiibo. Very well detailed, classic Ryu outfit. You can see all his details of his gi and his bandana in the back. Red bandana uses where his feet are, and the stand that's right there. It's the bottom of the amiibo, and very well detailed. His muscles, the fighting gloves that he has on, his face, hair, everything. So it's very classic Street Fighter. Nothing out of the ordinary of his outfit in terms of the look. Because, you know, he does have other outfits in other games, but this is like the classic one. So it's very well done. I like the fighting pose. Very well detailed. You can see even with the clothing has all the little details and all of that. So yeah, really enjoy this one. If you're a Street Fighter fan, definitely look about getting yourself one. And yeah, enjoy. Hope this was helpful.